Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Another 9 COVID-19 positive patients in Nagaland tested negative for the virus, increasing the number of recovered persons to 657 yesterday. However, infection of 194 persons, which is the highest single-day surge of the virus in the state so far, has pushed the state's tally of confirmed cases to 2,129, out of which 1,464 are active, 657 have recovered, 6 dead, and 2 have migrated. Among the active, only 2 are symptomatic, with 1 on oxygen in ICU in Kohima. According to Health and Family Welfare Department, among the 6 deaths, 4 are due to COVID-19, while 1 death, though tested COVID-19 positive, is not due to COVID-19, and another death had comorbidities and tested COVID-19 positive, but it is under investigation to establish to the virus. The recovery rate of the state, which has gone up to 68%, has further declined to 30.85%. Among the districts, Dimapur has the most infections at 1,019, followed by Kohima 534, Peren 252, Mon 149, Zinabuto 66, Tuensang 46, Pek 29, Mohokchun 18, Wokha 13, and Longland 3. Kifiri is the only corona-free district in the state. The Dimapur Deputy Commissioner has cautioned individuals and organizations against issuing unwarranted directives and statements obstructing entry of healthcare workers into their wards and colonies after performing their duties. In an order, Dimapur DC said that support and cooperation is required from all ends in the fight against COVID-19. He said that issuing such unwarranted directives and statements which infringe on individual rights and in violation of government orders will be liable to be punished under Section 3 of the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 and Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. Union government said that Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network (EVIN) has ensured essential immunization services during the COVID pandemic. Union Health Ministry yesterday said EVIN is an innovative technological solution aimed at strengthening immunization supply chain systems across the country. It aims to provide real-time information on vaccine stocks and flows and storage temperatures across all cold chain points in the country. This system has been used with a requisite customization during the COVID-19 pandemic for ensuring continuation of the essential immunization services and protecting the children and pregnant mothers against vaccine-preventable diseases. Since April, 8 states, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and Maharashtra are using the EVIN application with 100% adherence rate to track state-specific COVID-19 material supplies, ensure availability, and raise alerts in case of shortage of 81 essential drugs and equipment. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated a new 300-bedded COVID care center at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Imphal West yesterday. During the inaugural ceremony, the Chief Minister said that there is evidence of local transmission of COVID-19. However, there is no community transmission of the disease in Manipur. The awareness among the people is very much needed to contain further spread of the disease, and he appealed to the people to come out openly for early treatment instead of concealing their COVID-19 status if tested positive. The cumulative number of positive cases in Manipur is 2,920. And President Ramnath Kovind celebrated Raksha Bandhan with members of the nursing community at the Rashtrapati Bhavan yesterday. During a brief interactive session, the nurses offered Rakhis to the President and also narrated their experience in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. The President felicitated them and described them as saviors who are not only saving lives but also risking their own lives in the line of duty. Kovind said such commitment to duty earns respect for nurses who have been performing the role of frontline COVID warriors. President thanked the entire nursing fraternity for their sincere dedication and services to fellow citizens during the pandemic. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.